Hey guys, it's Lonnie. I just wanted to come on here and just show you my current status of my beautiful garden for March 2021. As you guys all know, that here in the desert, El Paso, everything's starting to green up. Our weather's perfect and everything is just doing what it needs to do to grow beautiful and green. This is going to be a very quick video. It's going to just show you pretty much all that is currently growing in the garden. If you guys want specifics on exactly what's growing in what frame, just let me know in the comments below, so that way I could explain a little bit about what it is, when you're going to expect it to bloom or produce fruit, and any other details such as that. I also added in there my little turtle habitat. I'm super excited. Everything that I threw in there is growing. Can't wait. Canna lilies. My Bradford pear that I'm going to put in the front yard. My beautiful sage and my Thai basil back there. On the left there is my little Asian spinach. Oh, my poor little banana plant. It's going to grow. There is my strawberries. Oh, look how cute they are. There's another picture of my Thai basil. All these vegetables and herbs are growing currently in my raised bed, and they're just beautiful and fresh and crisp. I'm gonna have to actually cut some of it for my salad today. Look at the beautiful red. Some green onions, Brussels, kale, chard, many varieties. My kumquat. I love that tree. The kumquat has taken its new home where my loquat was. I had to take that out because it did not make this make the cut. It died during the snow that we had. Some flowers, those are plumbagos. Some of my mums are growing back. And it looks empty now, but everything's going to green up soon. My beautiful plum. This is the ornamental. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Have a wonderful day.